you know what day it is. It is Throwback Thursday. On Thursdays, I post videos that I have done previous. I've been doing YouTube videos, I think it's for 4 or 5 years now. So I am going to be bringing back some of my favorites on Thursdays. So I hope you stick around and check it out. I have one of these trays that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am going to paint it with this Waverly white chalk paint. So I am just going to, I'm going to paint all this and the top and the inside. I am not going to paint the underneath. So I am just going to go right along like this, and I'm probably going to put 2 coats of paint on it. Okay, I have the first coat on there, and I'm definitely putting a second coat on here, and I am probably going to Mod Podge over it also. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the second coat on, and I think that's gonna make it look a lot better. Okay, my tray is all painted. Then I'm gonna take my favorite elephant gray chalk paint. This is my favorite for distressing. And just get a little bit on my brush. I'm gonna start up here. I want these beads to kind of pop out. So I'm just taking a little bit, and I'm gonna be going around the edges like this. I'm not trying to put too much on my brush, but I do want it to be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and go all the way around. Okay, my tray is all done. It's all distressed. It looks really nice. And now I'm gonna take my matte Mod Podge, and I'm gonna put a coat of it on my project. I'm gonna try to use this foam brush so I don't get a bunch of bubbles, but I'm gonna be putting a decal on here, so I really want to make sure that it's gonna stick. So I'm gonna go over the whole top part of the tray with my matte Mod Podge and my foam brush. Okay, now that I have my tray all Mod Podge, I got this from Dollar Tree, and this is actually gonna go inside my tray here. This is gonna be difficult. I'm not very good at centering things or putting stickers on, but I am going to try to do my best to get this off here decent and onto my tray without ripping it, hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna put that on here first. Well, it seems like it's sticking pretty good. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on there like that for now, see if I can try to move it if I don't like that. That would go up a little bit. I think that might be good right there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stick that on. Should stick good because of the Mod Podge. And maybe put the bee up a little more. Let's see. Then I'm just gonna try to scooch that up in the corners here. I think that should look okay like that. I just need to get it tucked in the corners. This one's not tucked very good. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Then I am going to try to find a spot to put a couple of these on. I'm thinking this little one is going to go under the bee. I'm going to try to put this one kind of up on the side a little bit. And I think I got a little bit of a wrinkle in there. It's hard to tell. I'm not serving food or anything on this. Just so you know, this is just for display. Not too close. Let's try that. Just using my finger to try to smooth it out. Stuck to my finger. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Sorry, I shouldn't be recording this whole thing. Okay, I finally got that one on there. I think it looks pretty cute. All right, then I got this easel, or this stand, whatever, not an easel, I guess it's a stand, from Dollar Tree, and that is where I am going to set my tray on. Okay, so I thought about it, and I think that's it. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, and it's gonna go on my fireplace mantle. I think you can put that up anytime. I might just put it up around Thanksgiving, not sure, but I think it turned out pretty cute. I'd love to know what you think. Leave me some comments and let me know. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, please, and hit the bell to get notified when I upload, and take care. Thanks. Bye.